How to watch past broadcast on Twitch. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Twitch app on your device. Then go to the person's profile you want to see past broadcast of. Then you can scroll through their profile and you will find recent broadcasts in here. And these are all the past broadcasts. Now you can scroll and select the video you want to watch. After you select the video will open and it will start playing. You can also click on the gear button at the top right and select quality, and beside that, if you click on it, you will be able to share stream with other people as well. And this is how to watch past broadcast on Twitch. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.